Census of the Population in the U.S. by Caleb Birch, ABE 205. To begin, the census is taken annually to gather a wide variety of data for analysis. The census data used in my project is from April 1, 2010 from the U.S. and Puerto Rico. Some interesting facts to start are in the U.S. there is one birth every 8 seconds, one death every 12 seconds, one international migrant every 44 seconds, with a net gain of one person every 13 seconds. Here is some information collected from the census data. The population percent across the country is spread between the Northeast 17.8%, Midwest has 21.4%, West has 23.4%, and South has 37.4%. In the world, the 10 most populous countries in decreasing order are China, India, United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, and Japan. This information was collected from the U.S. Census Bureau website. Now, let's take a look at a basic example of a census survey that might be taken in 2013. Here's my Excel spreadsheet. If you click the button and you enter in the basic information to the text boxes, it asks your name. In the drop-down box, it has male or female, number of people living in your household. For annual income, we have a variety from at the base of 500,000 to the top for more than 500,000. Two messages will come up for either extreme. We'll do the least first. And then your status, single. You want to do check before save to make sure none of the text boxes were left empty. You can see here it asks, would you consider going on a free trip? Since we did the lowest annual income, now we'll try the highest. It asks, would you consider donating today? Now we'll save it with just a one in the middle. We'll click save. All the information is recorded here in our spreadsheet. Now let's take a look at some real data from the census website. We have the male, female, and both population at different ages. If we click the loop button, it'll input the numbers for the ages and give us our graphs. We can see it put here 0 to 84. That's the ages of the information the Census Bureau took. Now we can see from our graph we have male in blue, female in red, and both in green. We can see the x-axis is age in years and the y-axis is the population. If we click the deactivate button, it'll hide it. If we click activate, it'll show it. Now let's look at some information from this data. From the spreadsheet, we can see the maximum age group for women is 50 at 2,359,941 women. For men, the age is 19 at 2,341,984 men. The minimum population group for women is age 40 and age 40 for men. There are 612,590 women and 373,131 men. The maximum age group for both men and women is 19. The minimum age group is 84. The male population in the U.S. is 151,781,326, and the female population is 156,964,212, and this was taken from the 2010 Census Bureau. To conclude, the census information can be used to help predict future changes. It can help foretell needs in the future that may not be cared for without the knowledge of this data. It can also put out the awareness of the change in basic population information. Here are my sources. Thank you.